So we're given this table that has this data where they ask students, are you studying enough? For example, in ninth grade, students, 85 said yes, 65 no. And some of these values are not given and listed as X and Y. They tell us that the probability that a randomly selected student from this high school is in 11th grade, given that the student responded no, is 75 over 267. So if we look at the numbers who responded no, is that total 65 plus 56 plus X plus Y. And they tell us that the probability that if you're selecting from this pool, given that the student responded no, that the 11th graders are Y. So the probability is Y over 65 plus 56 plus X plus Y, and that's equal to 75 over 267. One of the following is the value of X. Which one? We need to figure out what X is. So here, if we just use the values in the numerator here, for example, if that's 75 and that's 267, we'll see what value does it give for X. So that's going to be 110, 121, 75, 196. X would have to come out to be 71. That's what I get. Now, you might be thinking, are other values possible? Well, if we doubled it, because we could have it, because this would still satisfy if I doubled it, 150 over 267 times 2, in which case Y would be 150, and then this denominator would be 2 times 267. So let's see. I mean, you'll see that answer for X would not be in the answer choices, but it is a possibility. I mean, that would, I guess, be a harder question. So let's do that. So denominator needs to be 534. So then I add those two, 121 and 150. So 271, and then I subtract that from 534. So I would get 263 in that case, which is not in the answer choices. And that's why the answer is 71, choice F.